Welcome to the Traverse Legal Podcast. My name is Enrico Schaefer, and today we're providing real-world examples and tips on how attorneys and other professionals can get the most out of ChatGPT. We are not here to talk about transformers or various LLM models. We're here to provide you with real-world examples, practical advice on how to use AI tools to 10x you. So unlike other channels, these ChatGPT tips will not be general. They are going to be specific instructions on how to use AI to win. How to use AI to win. That's important because AI, it's not going to replace attorneys or other professionals, but AI will replace professionals and attorneys who do not know how to leverage AI. If you don't believe that you're expendable, irrespective of your expertise, training, or experience, you're fooling yourself. Virtually every technology and AI expert in the world, even the most conservative and most measured experts, have predicted your demise. Look at experts who are not as good as you are. They're going to be better than you once they're assisted by AI. Your competitors using AI will destroy you in ways you cannot imagine. Surviving the AI apocalypse is simple. You need to be the best in AI in your department, your company, your industry sector. That will make you indispensable in ways never before possible.